Welcome to QuickGuides. Today, you'll learn how to quickly check and correct your writing using smart tools like Grammarly and AI assistants, so your texts look polished and professional every time. Start with a quick scan. Tools like Grammarly instantly highlight grammar problems, confusing sentences, and repeated words. This gives you a fast overview of what needs fixing before you dive deeper. Most readers prefer clear and simple writing. AI tools can suggest shorter alternatives, break up long sentences, and swap weak verbs with stronger ones, making your message more engaging. Your text should match your audience. AI assistants help you adjust tone, more friendly, more formal, more confident, whatever you need. They also remove unnecessary stiffness to make your writing sound natural. If a section still feels off, let AI rewrite it. These tools restructure paragraphs, improve logic, and generate cleaner versions while keeping your meaning intact. Before sending or publishing, do a final review. Read the text aloud, ensure clean formatting, and save your polished version. Small steps, but they make a big difference. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel QuickGuides to get quick and useful tips that will make your life easier and better.